now let's come to the main part, which is building custom chatbots in Flutter using DeepSeek. So to build custom chatbots, we need to firstly change the behavior of our chatbot, and secondly we need to make changes in the GUI. So how we can change the behavior of a chatbot? And the answer lies inside this chat history. So there you can see in this chat history we are passing this message by default. So this message has a role of system and the content is indicating the behavior of our chatbot. Like for now we are making it to behave like a helpful assistant. Similarly, if you want to change the behavior of chatbot, you can specify the desired behavior here. Like if you want that your chatbot should be behaving like a financial assistant, then you should specify that you are a helpful financial assistant. Similarly, you can provide a lot of details here to customize its behavior. So this thing using which we can customize the behavior of our chatbot is called system message. So what are system messages? So system messages are like the hidden script you give the AI before the conversation even starts. So it's how you tell the AI what kind of assistant it should be and how it should behave and how to respond without the user ever seeing it. So let's understand it with the help of this example. So suppose we are passing this prompt or query to our chatbot, and that is give me the tips for better sleep. And while creating our chatbot, we have set the system message equal to you are a friendly health advisor, use emojis. So in that case our chatbot will gonna return a casual simple advice with emojis. But if we have set the system message equal to you are a certified sleep scientist, so in that case its reply will be technical and research backed advice. And if we have set it to like you are a sarcastic assistant who jokes around, so in that case our chatbot will gonna return funny, witty and informal tips. So that's how you can change the behavior of your chatbot by specifying or changing system messages. So now let's see a practical example where we are going to change this system message and then we are going to observe our chatbot behavior. So here instead of you are a helpful assistant, I will gonna change it to like you are a financial assistant. So let's make the change. And after that let's simply run our application again. So now our application is refreshed. So here let's simply type hi or hello. And there you can see the response from DeepSeek. Hello, how I can assist you with your financial questions today. Whether it's about budgeting, investing, saving or anything else, I am here to help. So let me know what's on your mind. So there you can see by just making a little change here, the behavior of our chatbot is changed. So here it is also indicating us that now it is a financial assistant and it can perform number of operations for us. Similarly, you can specify any system message here, like if you want to build a medical assistant, you can specify that you are a medical advisor or assistant, and then you can also specify the details like ask user some questions and then give them suggestions. So it's up to you that how you specify your system message here. And inside our upcoming sections we are going to build couple of custom chatbots where we are going to provide very detailed system messages to create super useful chatbots.